In this video, we will show you how to change language settings in ChatGPT. In here, if you already log in into your ChatGPT, you can update or you can choose the language that's suitable with you by clicking on this profile. Okay, just select settings and make sure you already log in here. And this is the language that you can choose auto detect or setting your preferred language here. You can select the language like English, okay, like franchise, and another language. You can also change the spoken language if you're using ChatGPT in mobile phone for microphone. Okay, you can using the auto detect or another language to spoke using microphone. Okay, and that's all tutorial how to change language settings in ChatGPT. Hope this video helpful for you and thanks for watching.